Attorney, nagpahiram po ako ng motor, pero ginamit po sa krimen. Mako-consider po ba ako na accessory of the crime?
Kasi nagpapahiram. Pero check natin. Ha? So, I need your participation. Sagot ka, i-apply natin yung batas. Sabi ng Article 19, accessories are those who having knowledge of the commission of the crime and without having participated therein, either as a principal or as an accomplice, and take part subsequent to its commission. Kakat ko muna ron. Ito ang tanong ko sa iyo. Knowledge of a crime. Do you have a knowledge of a crime? Sa Tagalog, alam mo ba na mayroong krimen na nangyari? O, doon pa lang, hindi ka napapasok as an accessory. But let us assume na alam mo na mayroong krimen na nangyari. Sabi ng batas, kailangan daw po para maging liable ka as an accessory, eto yung mga participation mo in any of the following manner. So, hindi kailangan tatlo, kahit isa lang dito. Anong keyword natin? P, C, H. Tatlo yan. On the first paragraph, letter P. Ano yung sinasabi ng letter P? By profiting themselves in the effects of the crime. Sa Tagalog, nakinabang ka raw. Sample, tungkol sa hold-upan, nang hiram sa'yo ng motor, yung isang hold-upper. After nila mang hold up, binigyan ka nila ng pera. Okay? Yun ba yung naging participation mo? So kung hindi yan, hindi ka papasok sa letter P. Check natin baka sa second paragraph. Ano yan? Letter C. Concealing the body of the crime to prevent its discovery. Sinira mo raw yung body of the crime. Ano ba yung body of the crime? It is defined as that fact that the crime has been actually committed. Sa Tagalog, eto raw yung mga bagay na magpapatunay na merong krimen na nangyari. So sinira mo to para hindi nila malaman na merong krimen na nangyari. So ganun ba yung naging participation mo? Sa palagay ko naman talaga hindi, kasi nagpahiram ka lang ng motor. Pero check natin, baka papasok ka sa letter H, yung third paragraph. By harboring or assisting in the escape of the principal of the crime. So, kaya ka ba nagpahiram ng motor? Dahil gusto mong tulungan na makatakas ang principal of the crime. So, kung hindi pumasok sa tatlo, there is no reason for you to be held liable as an accessory of the crime. Pero konting paalala, huwag ka na lang magpahiram ng motor. Hindi kadamutan yan. Nag-iingat ka lang. And at the same time, meron kang pamilya na dapat ingatan.